Hello YouTube, this is Airsoft Boy 39 and today we're going to be looking at my airsoft gun. I know we haven't met, this is the first time meeting, but hello there. And let's get some buckwild. Alright, anyways, I'm going to show you my guns. This is my sniper class, I'm 671. Scope, pretty cool, the bipod. Full stop, and yeah. Here's my P311 pistol. It's pretty cool. Yep. And it holds about 10 to 12 rounds. This holds 20 rounds. That is pretty awesome. Next, moving on to my second class is the Mossberg shotgun tactical kit. There is my. This is what I like the most about it. Is this. It is really cool, dude. I mean, like, seriously. Alright, now, here are the sights. Couldn't do it on sniper, but yeah, you see that little thing at the end of it? Not the, right there at the end. Yeah. That's the sight. Here is my 45 pistol. It's pretty cool. Awesome action. Now moving on to the Marine kit. Alright, this is my SPO. Wait, no, wrong one. This is my SPO1. Right here. Safety. Cool. And alright, I name my guns for what they look like, but seriously, that's what they really are called. I call this one an ACR. Marine. It's semi-automatic. You just pull that back and shoot, but it's really cool. It's a good gun. Next, this is broke. I got it like 3 years ago. No, 4 years ago actually. I've had it since then, and basically it broke. I mean, I'm just buying new batteries for it. But anyways, here is my MP45. It came with a silencer. I will be showing that to you guys. I gotta fix it. Here are where the beads go. Right there. You just pull that open. And here's the sights. Pretty sucky, right? But what? That's it. Ooh. Actually, I set up a target for this gun. Alright. That's the code right there. I'm a really good shooter, but I know I'm seriously a really good shooter, but it's kind of hard for me to sit there and do that. And these are all my classes. I'm gonna get a class for this gun, but for now, here's my airsoft bag. I carry my utilities in there. I don't have any in there right now. Oh, I carry this speed loader. That. This right here opens up, and here are my bibbies, Marines. So yeah, 10,000 pack. So, yeah, YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I gotta cut my hair. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be posting airsoft videos, hopefully when it stops raining. Because I'm a sniper. I snipe a lot. And I basically use one airsoft 4. I use all 3 pistols. sniper. I basically use all these guns. My friends don't have any, so I have to let them use them. But they will not be using that or my sniper, because I will be making straps and stuff off of that. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Trust me, it will get more exciting in the next. I'm buckwild, redneck, yeah. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed hope you guys will enjoy all my videos. See you guys later. Likes, comments, subscribe. See ya.